Alright guys, welcome back to this lesson. We are going to discuss about the most commonly used command, which is the cd command. Let me clear the screen. Now cd stands for change directory. But if you want to get help for cd, you type -help. You can see the documentation for this cd. Now cd stands for change the shell working directory. That's what you use the cd command to do, to change the shell working directory, change the current directory to dar. Now you can see the flags that you can also include as well, but let's just practice it. Let's clear the screen. And if I list the files and folders that are available on the desktop, so if I want to go to this folder known as cmd tutorial, so I will type cd cmd tutorial like this. So if I press enter now, I have navigated to that folder, and you can also see it on the command, that is desktop/cmd tutorials. Okay, just like this. Now if I list the files and folders that are available in it, if I list it like this, and you can see the files and folders that are available inside it. Okay, I have these files and folders that are available into it. If I do cd to return back to the desktop, I just put ... That means go up one level. Okay, go up one level. So cd ... will I am already in the cmd tutorial, this folder, but I want to go back. So if I open the UI, let me open the UI. Let me open the UI so that I will show you. This is my desktop. This is my desktop directory. Inside the desktop directory, I have cmd tutorial. These are the files and folders. Okay, I want to go back, go up one level. If I press this, it will take me back to the desktop. It's the same thing that I'm doing in the command line, cd ... I press enter now, it take me back to the desktop. Okay, cd means current directory. Simply means the same directory. If I press enter now, it will still remain in the desktop. You can see it will remain on the desktop. This is because the dot means the current directory. Means go up one level. Okay, go up one level. So if I do cd ... again, it will take me to my home directory, that the user directory. Okay, so if I print pwd, that is the current working directory now, you can see it return me to my home directory. This is what is known as home directory, guys. This is the home directory. Okay, the home directory is your user / your name. Okay, so in my own case, it is now showing me the C drive /user/ my name. That is my home directory. In the UI, it's the same thing as going to C drive. If I go to the C drive, I'm going to see the users, and under the users, I have my name. This area here is known as home directory. This is the home directory. Let me minimize the UI. Another way of accessing the home directory is to press cd. If you type cd without passing any flag, it will return you to the home directory. Let me press enter. If I print the working directory now, it will still remain on my home directory. Regardless of where I am, if I go to the desktop, cd desktop, and if I still go back to the cmd tutorial and press enter, I am in the cmd tutorial under the desktop. If I do cd from here without passing any argument, it is taking me to my home directory. So this directory here, let me press enter. It will take me to the home directory. If I do pwd here, you can see it return me to the home directory. If I do cd/, it will take me to the root. Okay, the root of your system, okay, the root of your system. If I press enter now, it will take me to the root of my system. That is cd slash will take you to the root of your system. If you want to know the root of your system, you press pwd print working directory. Now you can see it is slash, and this slash means the C drive. Okay, in the UI it means the C drive. The C drive. The C drive is the root of your system. Okay, if I do ls here, it now lists the files and folders that are available in the root of your system. Now if I do cd from here without passing any argument, it will take me to my home directory. pwd return to the home directory. If I do ls, it will list the files and folders that are available in the home directory. Okay, from here I can get the desktop. You can see I can get the desktop, documents, download, and so on. Just the same thing as going to your C drive users, and from here you can get all those files. So if I go back and do ls-a, okay, that means list all the files and folders. Both the hidden files were also listed here. All the hidden files are now showing. That is the work of this -a.